This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, myself, I am Rajendra. I did MBA with MBA in 2001. So I am working for the ERP for the last 20 years. So I worked in US and India for different MNC companies. I am providing the trainings for the last 15 years. So that's a brief about me. So please let me know your requirements. So what you are looking for, what about your qualification and experience, and what you
So I did MBA. So I
are. Okay,
graduated in January 2020.
okay,
My
2020.
graduation was BBA Finance Specialized.
Okay. So MBA was completed in 2020, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. So
So I
BBM
did
and then
BBA with the finance specialization. So MBA I did
okay.
international MBA. Okay. So it's
Okay.
combined with marketing, HR, finance, strategic management, and a
Okay.
couple of.
Okay.
So right now I'm looking for HCM with the techno-functional both.
Okay. You are looking for the techno functional roles.
Exactly.
Okay. Right. Fine. Let us go ahead. So I will explain your training process. So this is a training process, how it will be. So the training, we will discuss about the training and
Sure.
the content we will discuss and application access
Okay.
and assistance we will discuss. So at the end, we have the QA session, question and answers. Okay. So if you
Okay.
have any question, we can discuss on that. Okay.
Sure.
So here, so the all the training, okay, the entire training, it is a real-time training, real-time implementation training, real-time end-to-end implementation, end-to-end implementation training. So that means we will take up one project and we will work on that project. So we'll take up XYZ or ABC project and we'll do that one from starting to ending. And whatever we used to do in the real-time project, the same thing we'll do here as well. And for the training, every session will be recorded. I will share you the recordings on daily basis. You can go through the recordings on daily basis, and we'll share you that one once every session is recorded on daily basis. We'll share you that. You can go through that for your practice and everything, and we will share you the materials, FAQs, and resume formats. So all these things will help you. And if you are interested, we'll take the mock interview. Okay. So that is a part of the training. We will do that one. And the next one is the content part. In this content, we will discuss all the SCM related topics like SCM foundation, foundation pillar, and global HR and time and labor, global HR related, and we'll discuss the time and labor, options management, and talent management, payroll, and we'll discuss the recruiting, benefits. So these are all different areas. And apart from that, the technical related, which is the OTBA in PA reports, the OTBA in PA reports. So this is the technical part. We'll discuss that technical and data loading, which is the data conversion process. Okay, so data extraction. So these two are the technical aspects. We will discuss this part as well. And I will show you in detail the content. So this is the content in detail. This is a in detail content. You can see this. And HR foundation, these are the many different setups. And global HR related setups we'll discuss. And options management, talent management, time and labor, payroll, and benefits and compensation, recruiting, and we'll discuss the reports, OTB and VA publication, data conversions. So these two are technical. These two are the technical related.
Sorry,
And
can you send me this things what we are gonna finish in the
yes,
course? This
I will send it. No problem. I will send. And
thank you.
transactions for all the functions, different transaction. And the real time, okay, it's the kind of rapid implementation how it works. And we'll discuss the resume and FAQs and projects. So okay, we'll we'll discuss this one projects and mock interview. Okay, so these things we'll discuss as a part of real time. So how the real time works. Okay, all these things we'll discuss. Okay, in detail. That is in detail. And the next one is application access. Okay, we have the application access. This is application. Whatever you are able to see this application. So just it needs URL only. Okay, once you log in with the, you just click on the web link and you will get the username and password. You need to provide the username and password, and then you can use this one, this application. It's a completely cloud application. We'll provide you 3 months access, 10 months application access for our practice. And usually, I know, so in the market, it could be maximum 1 or 2 months. So we will, and myself also, we are purchasing from the Oracle side, Oracle partners on monthly basis. Okay, so we'll give you for 3 months access for our practice. And here the training. So we have the timelines. Monday to Friday we have the sessions, and minimum we need 30 days training for this one, 30 days, and sometimes it may extend for one more week based on your understanding and all these things. And if you understand better, if you practice on daily basis, it will be 30 days. Sometimes it may extend for one more week. And assistance. Okay, so this assistance is, yeah, so we'll provide you job assistance and job support. That means job assistance means for resume preparation or mock interviews or FAQs, that kind of, for getting the job. And and also job support. Okay, if you have any issues, any questions, okay, while practicing, so while working, you can take a screenshot of that. You can send through WhatsApp or email. So we'll help you. So that is completely free. Mail help and WhatsApp help, even after the training as well. After one year, 2 years, whatever it is. So if you can contact. That is completely free. And if you are not able to do the work, and if you need 1 month or to support, okay, a daily 1 hour job support like that, we'll probably do that one as well. So for that, we'll charge something for the service, as per the service. Okay, so if you are required, so it's an end-to-end training. At any stage, if you need any help, we'll do from our side. Okay, and here from the application side, you just need to log in. So I will share the once you start it, once we start the session, we'll share the login credentials. What you need to just click on the web link, and you need to provide the username and password. Okay, and this server, all the Oracle servers, it will be refreshed, and every 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, let me check once. Fusion. So no worries. Okay, we have the backup as well. So let me check the backup servers. I used to maintain the backup servers as well. Okay, so we can use that one as well. And this will be every 3 weeks, and Oracle will do the refreshment, and weekly basis in the weekend. So it will be down for some time. Okay, to serve for server maintenance related. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Any questions from your side, Sai? Before meanwhile, I will check the application.
So coming with the material, so is
Okay.
it like provided by the Oracle, or is it prepared by your institute or by you?
No, actually, whatever it is, across the world, whoever it is based on Oracle only. So we will provide Oracle user guides and Oracle material. Some materials, which is, because what happens is, so Oracle user guides are very good. So all are informative and this one. And some documents
Yeah.
I will provide you. Look at the real-time documents, whatever we use are real-time related. So those I will
Okay.
provide you. Yeah, which
Okay.
I prepared for the
Okay.
real-time related. I will do that one. But Oracle user guides are very good and informative. So that is, you can use that
So
one.
few are from Oracle and few are from your own side.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Okay.
Whatever I am sharing, that is a real-time documents, so real-time oriented.
So coming with the assistance, you have mentioned that if at all we cannot do work after getting into a job. So like I didn't get about that. Can you explain it again?
So, okay, for example, once you join any company, you are facing
Okay.
some issue. Okay, you can take a
Okay.
screenshot of the issue. You can ping me in WhatsApp. I can help you.
Okay.
That is completely free. You can do anytime. So
Oh,
I can help you for that. But
all right.
sometimes you are not able to understand the requirement, the business requirement. In that
Okay.
case, what happens is, will in that case, we can take the 1 month job support. So daily we will meet like this 1 hour, daily 1 hour. So I can
Okay.
help you for any kind of issue. But for that,
All,
we will charge you based on the service.
all right. Okay. Okay.
You got it?
Okay. Got it. Got it. So coming with the technical basis, so does it include like fast formulas and
Yeah.
personalization?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, it
Suspect.
includes. Yeah, it includes. That include past marmals and all these things. We can include, within the payroll system. Payroll, while discussing the payroll, it is there.
Okay. Okay. So even with the spreadsheets and data loaders as well, right?
Yeah. Here
Okay.
we discussed, right? So, yeah, data loading. This is a
Okay.
data loading process, data loader.
Okay. So can you send me all of those things? What we'll cover in this module?
Yeah, sure. I will send you. I have your mail ID. So, and
Okay.
this is application. So if you're able to see this is application. Okay, we have the
Yeah.
backup application. If one is not working, so I am
Okay.
maintaining, two to three applications. Okay, if one is
Okay.
not, well, if one is not working, then we'll provide you the backup application. Okay, so that
Okay.
you don't need to worry
This,
about the application. Okay,
this is for the
and
QS.
yeah, so this is our fusion. So setups and maintenance, you can do all the setups here. All the setups will be in this area, and all the transactions you can do in this area. On the left side, you have the transactions. You can go to the transaction window, and here you can do all the transactions.
Okay. So does access for this vision have any time limit in a day?
No time limit. So that's what I'm saying. No time, 24/7, you can use it. But as it is a
All right.
cloud instance, Oracle cloud instance, it is maintained by Oracle. So it will be down in the
Okay.
weekend for some time. Okay, weekend, maybe on Saturday, Sunday for 2 to 3 hours, it will be down. And
All,
then it will be up.
all,
And every 3 to 4 weeks, they will clean the data because, across the world, people are using it, right? They need to clean the data.
right.
Otherwise, they can't keep all the data. Okay, so those things will be there for demos.
Okay. Okay.
And if they have if you have any issue in between, so any kind of issue, please, you can ping me. I can give you the alternate
Oh,
applications.
all right. All right. So yeah, that's all. No more questions.
So any questions from your side?
Yeah. No. That's it. That's it. So what will be the class timings?
Class timings, I will update you. So what timings you are looking for?
Either
Because usually
in
I used to start with the minimum 2 persons and
okay.
maximum 4 to 5 only, because I don't entertain group. Why? Because
Right.
there will be missing the interaction between the trainer to participant. So if it is a 10 members or 20 members group, so if it is more than 5, so what I used to do is I used to start a separate batch. But if anybody two are confirmed, what we can do is we will start a session, and whoever is joined in that week, so they can continue. If not, if nobody joined, then we will continue with two persons or 3 persons only. But our limit will be minimum 2 and maximum 5, because we had provided the demo, and one person are already shortlisted. So we'll coordinate with the timings with both of you. Probably we will start session if you are interested. We will start from tomorrow, and next, we will start from tomorrow. We have the sessions from Monday to Friday, and weekend you can do the practice, all these things.
So what is your basic timing sessions you provide to us?
Yeah, timings, we what's your timing? Please let me know, because I
What
will check
like
other
your
person
common
timings as well.
what is
So that
common
we will need to connect at both.
Yeah, that is all right. Like, what is your common timings you teach? You're comfortable with?
No, usually my timings are, so usually it is, my timings are fixed timings I used to do. So morning 6
Okay.
to 7, 1:30 to 8:30, 9 to 10. Okay. And evening, 5 to 6, 6:30 to 7:30, and 8 to 9. Okay. These are the timings. Okay. So fixed timings. And in
Evening.
that, what happens? We have morning, 6 to 7, 7:30 this time, and 9 to 10 also. So we have for 2, 3 sessions are there. And evening, I am occupied between 6:30 to 7:30 and 8 to 9. These 2 sessions are occupied. Already we are running the sessions.
Already, they are running
And
already.
yeah, running the already. So we have the morning time and evening 5 to 6 time. Yeah, please let me know your timing. I will check other person timings as well, so that I will coordinate both, and we will fix on time.
Okay. So morning 7 to 8 and evening 5 to 6.
Yeah, evening 5 to 6.
Okay. Yeah, that's all. No more questions.
Oh, okay. Yeah, fine. So I will check with other person as well. So I will let you know. So
So you
probably
can.
if other person is no, not from India. Okay. So what happens is, for US guys, definitely they used to prefer the morning time. And for Middle East people, okay, so let me check the other person, because usually what happens is I used to teach for the institutes as well, okay, online institutes. So for online institutes, they used to charge more, because they need to pay the faculty and they need to get the amount. Okay, so
Exactly.
that's why. So for the direct people who are directly contact through any reference or through my Urban Pro, and I had registered as a faculty in Urban Pro. Okay, so for those I am providing the 15K, including 3 months access, because a 3 months access cost is around 5,000 we are paying. Okay, every monthly 1,500 they are paying to Oracle. So that itself 5,000. But these guys, what happens? Institute guys, they used to charge a 25 to 30, because then so they will say they need to pay 15 to the faculty, and they need to get some amount, right? That's the thing. So yesterday, one that person, institute person, pinged me. Okay, let me check that guy. Okay. So Aman Preet. Aman Preet. Aman, whether India or Middle East, I don't know. I will check and get back to you that one. Okay. So based on that, if it is this guy is Middle East guy, maybe we can start. We need to start in the evening, but because the morning timing is not preferable for him, because the early morning we cannot join. Maybe it is 3 p.m. or 2 a.m. for him. I will coordinate. That's I will coordinate with this person, and then we'll let you know the timings. Okay. So
Yeah.
are you
So
okay with
please send.
even 5 as well?
Yeah. So please send me that email. So I just want to go through all the topics.
Yeah, sure. I will share you right away. Okay, today
Okay.
itself I will share the topics
Okay.
in detail.
All it all.
So any from your side?
Yeah. No, that's it. That's it. Thank you so much.
Okay. So once you
Okay.
go through that one, please let me know whether you are interested or not. So that what happens is, so based on that we will decide it. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Any questions from your side?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. See you.